Guys, did you know that telling time in English is like the hardest thing ever?
Wait, what? No, it's not. It's just numbers, right?
No, it is not just numbers. It is crazy.
How? Give me an example.
Okay, so in other languages, you just say it is 10 and 30.
Yeah, so that is easy.
But in English, we say half past 10.
Oh, right, half past, like half of a pie?
Exactly. But then we do not say half to 11.
Wait, really? We don't?
Never. You can say quarter to, but literally never have to.
That is so dumb. Why is English like this?
I know. Welcome to English Pod Center, everyone. I am Luna.
And I am Lucas, and my head hurts already.
We're going to make it super easy today.
Please do, because learning the time and date is a really big problem for beginners.
A huge problem. The biggest problem is the little words.
The little words, you mean like the and
No. The words for time. In, on, at.
Oh no, I hate those so much.
Everyone hates them, but I have a secret trick.
Okay, tell me, I need the trick, Luna.
Okay, imagine a big box, a really, really big box.
Like a shoebox or bigger?
Bigger, a giant box. This box is in.
Okay, in is a giant box. Got it.
We use in for big times, long times, like months and years.
Wait, give me an example.
Like in 2024, in December, in the summer.
Oh, because a year is big, so it goes in the big box.
Exactly. You put the big year in the big box.
Okay, that makes sense. So what about on?
Okay, on is like a piece of paper, flat.
Flat? Like a table?
Yes, a table. We use on for one day.
Just one day?
Just one single day. On Monday, on my birthday, on Christmas Day.
Wait, let me guess. On the weekend?
Actually, in the US, we do say on the weekend.
Okay, I was right.
But in the UK, they say at the weekend.
English is the worst. I literally give up.
No, do not give up, Lucas. Just remember, on is for days.
Okay, in is a big box for years. On is a table for days.
Perfect. Now, the smallest one, at.
At is at like a tiny dot?
Yes, literally a tiny dot. At is for exact clock time.
Like at 5 o'clock?
Yes, at 5 o'clock, at 7:30.
Oh, that is so easy.
Right? Big box is in, flat day is on, tiny dot is at.
So I say in 2023, on Tuesday, at 3 o'clock?
You got it. You are an expert now.
Wow, that helps a lot.
But wait, we have to talk about reading the clock.
Oh boy, the past and to thing?
Yes, it is very confusing for people.
I mean, why do not we just say 3:15?
You can. 3:15 is perfect. But native speakers, we love to make it hard.
Yeah, you guys say 3:15. It sounds like bad math.
Bad math. I like that. But look, it's like a pizza.
Wait, pizza? We're talking about time, Luna.
Hear me out, Lucas. Think of a clock, like a big pizza.
Okay, I'm thinking of pizza. Now I'm hungry.
Focus. If you cut the pizza into 4 pieces,
4 pieces. Got it.
one piece is a quarter, like 15 minutes.
Oh, a quarter of the clock.
Exactly. So 15 minutes after 3 is a 3:15.
So past means after?
Yes, 3:15. The big hand walked past the number 12.
Okay, that's easy. But what about 2? That part is so weird.
2. 2 means before.
Wait, I don't get it. Give me an example.
Okay, 3:45.
3:45. So a quarter to 4?
Boom! Yes, it's 15 minutes, 1/4, before 4.
Oh, we're looking at the next hour.
Exactly, Lucas. We're close to 4 o'clock. So we say
4:15.
Man, that's like looking into the future.
It is. And what about half a pizza?
Half a pizza. Wait, 30 minutes.
Yes, so 3:30 is?
3:30.
You're a genius today.
I mean, pizza makes everything easier to understand, Luna.
See? Not bad math, just hungry math.
Hungry math. I love that. But wait, what if it's like 3:05?
Good question. We just say 3:05.
3:05. Not a quarter, just the number.
Right. But honestly, if it's too hard,
Yeah?
just say 3:05 or 3:15. Everyone understands.
Really? You don't have to use the pizza math?
No, 3:30 is fine. Native speakers are just a little crazy sometimes.
Okay, phew. That makes me feel better.
Let's practice. Let's do a fast test.
Oh no, a test? I'm nervous.
You can do it. I'll say a time, you say it the pizza way.
Okay, hit me.
4:15.
4:15.
Yes, 6:45.
Ooh, tricky. That's looking to the future. 6:45.
Amazing. 8:30.
8:30. Boom. I'm so good at this.
You really are.
This is crazy. I used to hate telling time
Because of the bad math?
because of the bad hungry math. Now I just want to eat a pizza.
Me too. So, guys listening at home,
Yeah, your turn to practice.
right. Try to look at your clock today.
And say the time out loud, the pizza way.
Yes, try to use past and to. It really helps.
And if you get confused, just buy a pizza.
Lucas, no. But please subscribe.
Yeah, hit subscribe to English Pod Center.
We have more easy English lessons for you.
See you next time, guys. Time for pizza.